Mismatic.com.
The new LPMV, a washing machine for painted metal parts, originates from a specific customer requirement: the need to clean previously painted metal components with hydrocarbon solvents to prepare them for the subsequent screen printing process. We met this challenge by designing a system that guarantees outstanding results on delicate surfaces while operating in complete safety, thanks to its dual CE and ATEX certification, which is essential for processing with hydrocarbons. What began as a custom-made solution is now a standard production model, combining our design flexibility with the highest standards of reliability and compliance. The machine is equipped with detectors that constantly monitor solvent vapor concentration. Should this level exceed the safety threshold, the system shuts down immediately, resuming operation only once the vapor levels have fallen below the safe limit. The LPMV's operating cycle is designed to be as effective as intuitive. The process begins with the operator manually loading the parts into the specific loading container. Once started, the system uniformly sprays the painted surfaces with the hydrocarbon solvent using spray nozzles. Immediately after, the parts undergo the mechanical action of a rotary brush, equipped with specially designed, solvent-resistant bristles that will not scratch the finish. The next drying phase is a two-stage process for maximum efficiency. First, linear brushes remove the bulk of the solvent, after which a powerful air blower eliminates any remaining residue. The cycle concludes when the clean, dry painted parts are ready for the operator to unload from the unloading area.
Mismatic.com.